As the legislative session approaches its two-thirds mark, all bills that affect state revenues need to pass through either the House or Senate by the end of the day on Saturday. That means the huge number of bills tackling Montana's property taxes and income taxes could soon be getting narrowed down.
We're down to a matter of choices now. That's where we're at in the session.
On Wednesday, the Senate Taxation Committee voted down two of Governor Greg Gianforte's priority tax proposals. House Bill 231, the homestead property tax reduction for primary residences, long-term rentals, and small businesses, and House Bill 323, the proposal to reduce Montana's top income tax rate by up to 1 percentage point. At a news conference Thursday, Gianforte said he was disappointed in the vote and remained convinced these were the best tax relief options for the state.
Montanans expect us to pass permanent property tax relief. And because we already have the highest income tax rate in the region, we can't lower property taxes by further burdening income taxpayers. So those are the boundaries on the box that I'm willing to negotiate with the legislature.
Earlier this week, the Senate endorsed SB 203, which would expand the lower income tax bracket instead of lowering the top rate. A committee then tabled the bill, but it was revived and passed a final vote in the Senate on Thursday. The Senate also advanced SB 546 on Thursday, which would create income tax credits, an option more targeted to those with lower incomes.
You know, I think if you move both forward, we can do some sort of hybrid. We can kind of massage these numbers, see what some of the weaknesses are.
Meanwhile, a House committee has endorsed another option on property taxes, HB 528, which would lower tax rates on residential, commercial, and agricultural properties. Republican Representative Ed Burns sponsored the bill and says he knows it would only be part of whatever final arrangement the legislature reaches on taxes.
So they could use mine as the base, or they can just take pieces and put in others. What we want is the maximum. Without caring who gets the credit for it, we want the maximum property tax relief.
The governor said Thursday that nothing is really over until the session is over, and there's likely to be a lot more back and forth before we get the final picture of what tax relief the legislature is going to put forward. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.